Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best handheld bidet sprayer that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Achiotely Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer. If you are buying a handheld bidet sprayer for the first time, then you should have Achiotely Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer. It has fewer features when you make handheld bidet sprayer comparisons of Achiotely Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer with any other handheld bidet sprayer, but what it has is ease of use and best-in-class service. Go ahead and grab a handheld bidet sprayer, grab any handheld bidet sprayer, but if you are first-time user and want a good experience, do not look anywhere other than Achiotely Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer. At number 4. Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is another one which falls under Best X for money. It is most regularly advertised product and we see ads of it almost everywhere. In the past, Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet's parent company decided to launch a new line of handheld bidet sprayer, and that is what has revived them. Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet has really upgraded itself to the current style and market changes, and the best part of Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is amazing features. At number 3. Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer Kit. Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer is present in top 10 since a long time. In terms of customer satisfaction and ease of use, Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer wins the users. Most of them who buy Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer won't want buy anything else, although it offers very limited features and specifications. The only reason for brand loyalty is ease of use. This product had a special mention in reviews of Handheld Bidet Sprayer in 2020 for not expanding user base but definitely not losing any. The shift of people from Handheld Bidet Sprayer to any other handheld bidet sprayer is least. At number 2. Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Last but not the least, if you haven't liked any of the handheld bidet sprayer yet, then Sun Tea Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is your choice. It is another one which is best handheld bidet sprayer under $100, and Handheld Bidet Sprayer comparison have showed it has ranked best in past based solely on its features. Sun Tea Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet offers best features, and although it does not have Sun Tea Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet's feature is unbeatable. We would recommend you to go ahead with this if you want an all-rounder best handheld bidet sprayer under $100. At number 1. Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is a relatively new and late entrant in the market, but surprisingly has surpassed beyond Veken Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet, which have been in market longer than anyone. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of Handheld Bidet Sprayer in 2020 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a handheld bidet sprayer and it could be any of the high-value handheld bidet sprayer, chances are that would be much costlier than Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet will have more than 50% of all its features. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.